you prefer this one or you prefer this one. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm goodness Egwuonwu, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can draw your perfectly winged eyeliner even when you have hooded eyelids like I do. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, you want to position your hand in a way that's most comfortable for you to draw a straight line, that is from your tear duct to your desired length. Then begin to connect that line back to your eyelids. So I advise that you start with a line first before you begin to fill it in, to give you much room to play with. So once you're done filling it in, you go back to your wing and begin to fill it in to give it this seamless, flawless look. So we're just getting back to fill it in to ensure that it is as dark as we want it to be. Wonder how we changed so much, maybe my time away left you. So onto the gel eyeliner, I want to start with a line and we're trying to see if we can get the same length as the other eye. Then we're drawing a line from that line to our eyelid. Then we're just filling it in to ensure that it's as dark as the other eye, because you don't want one eye to be dark and the other eye to be faint. So we're just filling it in, trying to connect it back to our wing and getting the desired length that we want it to be. So I'm still filling it in. This is what we have now, guys. To clean up the excess from under the eye, you have to get your concealer brush and your concealer. Make sure you have enough concealer on your brush that when you're swiping across it, you will not create much more mess than you have there already. So once you're done swiping it, so you want to pat it so that it's easier for you to blend. So as you're patting it, try to bring it underneath your eye so that it's easier for it to blend. Then you want this to dry for a while, especially if it is a liquid eyeliner that you're using, before you begin to blend. So as you're blending, try to blend it in a way like it's part of your under eye makeup, so that it just looks like it's your makeup normally, not that you're trying to clean off something from underneath your eye. So we're still blending. You want to take your time with this, guy, so that it just looks like it's not too much or nothing is being covered up there. So guys, we are done with the tutorial. I don't know which one you prefer. Do you prefer this one, focus on it properly, or you prefer this one? So this is the waterproof one and this is the gel based eyeliner. So let me know which one you think is better. Do you prefer the waterproof one or the gel one? Let me know what your thoughts are below in the comment section so I can know which one to start using more often. And I want to assure you that your two eyes can never turn out the same. That is, if you're the one drawing your eyeliner by yourself, there's every possibility that the both eyes are not going to come out the same length, the same style. You can try it, but it's never going to be the same, because see, this is a bit longer and slimmer than this. I don't know if you can notice it, but when you're looking from afar, you may not really notice, but I drew it and I can see that they're not. This one has this curved underneath ish thing, and this is giving. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so when I drop my next video, you'll be the first to be notified of that video. Till next time, guys, bye for now.